Hey guys, welcome to Recipe Fever Vlogs. Guys, today's recipe is dedicated to all the seafood lovers out there. And this recipe was made by my mom, who is an expert cook like her mother, and she is my inspiration for my cooking passion. So, she is gonna show us how to make the traditional Kerala style fish curry with the Indian mackerel. And I should say that this recipe is such an easy peasy one that you can make in few minutes, and also at the same time it is so delicious that you can't stop yourself from eating this. You will want more and more of it. Yes guys, it's so yummy. So let's get started. First thing first, we need to clean the mackerel fish. And for that, today we have taken 500 gram of mackerel. The basic step to clean any fish is removing the fins and scales from it. So first, let's remove the fins. We have to remove the fins on either sides of the fish, that is below its head, as well as the one that is on the sides of the fish. Unlike other fishes, mackerel have minute scales on their body. So we have to just scrape it with a knife and remove them. So, once we have removed the fins and scales, we will cut the tail. Then, let's cut the head part to remove the gills. You can either cut the top head entirely like my mom does, or if you want, you can just cut open the head part and remove the fish gills alone. And guys, finally we need to pull and remove the abdominal contents. Oh wow, I should admit that my mom is an expert in cleaning the fish. She did it very fast, guys. Likewise, let's cut all the fishes. Then we have to clean this well in the water and cut into pieces like this. Tada! Our mackerel is ready like a bride. Isn't it, guys? I was just kidding. Now let's keep a small non-stick kadai for heating. And then let's add 2.5 tablespoons of coconut oil to the kadai. Guys, here is an important tip. That is, you should use only coconut oil for this recipe, else the taste will differ completely. Now, the coconut oil that we added has become hot. So, let's add 1 tablespoon of garlic that is cut into long slices. Also, let's add 1 tablespoon of roughly chopped ginger and a few curry leaves. Let's saute them in the coconut oil on a low-medium flame for 2 minutes. This is done. So let's add 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of coriander powder. Let's add 1 more tablespoon of coconut oil and mix everything well on a low flame until the raw smell goes from the masala. After that, let's add 1 cup of water little by little and mix everything well such that the masala combines well with the water. And then let's add 2 teaspoons of salt and mix everything well. Now let's remove this kadai and place the mean chatti with the fish pieces in it. Then let's add the prepared masala to the fish. Guys, here is my tip. That is, in Kerala, it is a tradition to cook the fish curry in the mean chatti, that is a pot made out of clay specifically to make the fish curry alone. And people say that this is the main reason for the Kerala fish curry to get its extraordinary taste. So now let's add 1/2 more cup of water and mix everything gently such that the fish doesn't break. Then let's add the most important ingredient, that is the kudambuli. Kudambuli is a variety of dried tamarind that you can find in Kerala. Now it's easily available in all the departmental stores. So guys, you can check the description box for the details. So let's add 2 kudambuli that is broken into small pieces and few curry leaves. Then let's increase the flame and add 1/2 teaspoon of fenugreek powder and gently mix it. Now let's close it with a lid and cook it for 5 minutes on a high flame. Guys, it's been 5 minutes now. So let's open the lid and see. The fish curry is boiling well. So at this stage, you can adjust the amount of salt and spice according to your taste. We will add a pinch of salt and will gently mix it. Please make sure that the fish pieces are immersed in the curry for it to absorb all the flavors. Now let's close it and cook it on a low-medium flame for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes now. Let's open the lid. Oh wow! The smell of the fish curry is so tempting. Let's rotate the main chatti once so that everything mixes well. The fish curry is done. Now let's quickly prepare the tempering for this curry. For that, let's keep a pan for heating and add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once the oil becomes hot, let's add 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds. Allow the mustard seeds to splutter. It's done. Now let's reduce the flame and add 2 teaspoons of chopped shallots. Let's saute them until they turn to a nice golden brown color. After that, let's add few curry leaves and switch off the stove. We will add this to the fish curry. Oh my goodness, it's so tempting, guys. My tummy is craving for this fish curry now. Guys, let's every one of us appreciate my mom for sharing this wonderful Kerala fish curry recipe with us. You can serve this with rice, idli, dosa, and especially I would say I love to have this with the boiled tapioca, which is one of the famous traditional Kerala breakfast. So do try this recipe and share your suggestions and feedback in the comment section with me. Also, please subscribe to my channel and press all to get instant notifications of my new recipes. Hit the like button as well if you like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.